Hello dear student, welcome back to math session for the subject Mathematics Standard 7. Today here we are going to learn the types of angles. In previous lecture we already studied the first zero angle, second acute angle, third right angle. Okay, now in this lecture first we are going to study an obtuse angle. So what is an obtuse angle? Okay, so initially I draw a one angle. Okay, suppose I given the name to the angle, that is ABC. Okay, now if we measure the angle ABC, okay, if you are observing, we are going to start measure from this side. If we measure this angle, it is 120 degree, that is in this direction. It is what? 120 degree. Basically, what is an obtuse angle? An angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Is called obtuse angle. Okay, less than what? The angle, if you are observing 120 degree, which is a what? Okay, if we measure this angle is what? 120 degree, which is a greater than 90 degree. Okay, but if you are observing which is what? Less than 180 degree, because here is the 180 degree. Okay, this angle means what? Whenever an measurement of an angle lies between 90 and 180 degree, okay, at that time that angle is called what? Okay, now next we are going to study an straight angle. Straight angle. Okay, what is an straight angle? First I draw a simple this line. Okay, but we know that we are always measuring the angle from in the anti-clockwise direction, that is opposite to direction of rotation of your minute hand. Okay, now suppose angle is start, this is angle OAB. Okay, means actually angle is start from this O to A. Okay, now we start to measure from this 0, then come like this in the anti-clockwise direction, and here is the what? Here is the end point. So what is an angle? 180, because from inner side here it is what? 0, and it ends here what? At 180 degree. Okay, means we start to measure angle from this side and it ends at this position. So total measurement of an angle is 180 degree. So what is basically an straight angle? Okay, an angle which measures 180 degree is called straight angle. Is called what? Straight angle. That is, here the angle OAB, which is 180 degree. Here the obtuse angle ABC, angle is made at B, which is a 120 degree. Okay, now third is what? Reflex angle. Third is what? Reflex angle. Okay, what is the reflex angle? Now again I draw a figure. Okay, suppose O, A and B. We know that we start to measure an angle from these positions, so it becomes like this. We have to measure this angle. Okay, so first I write what is an reflex angle. Okay, a reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, that angle is called a what? Reflex angle. Okay, means we know that if I start to measure first, here is the angle O, A and B. This is a what? 0 degree. Okay, after that I have started, I go to like this, which measures between 0 and 90, then that is a what? Acute. Okay, here is the 0. Then next one is the what? An angle which measures what? 90 degree, then that is a what? Right angle. Okay, after that angle measurement is between what? That is between 90 and 180, that angle is called the obtuse angle. Okay, then next we measure the what? A straight angle which measures 180 degree, and now a reflex angle is what? Which is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, because we know that if I draw here the straight line, okay, here is the what? It becomes straight, here is the 180. Okay, then if I draw here, then this become 90 degree. So if I add these up to this position, here is the what? 360, 0, okay, then 90 degree, okay, 180 degree, 360 degree. But now we have to measure these OAB from this side. Okay, so it lies between what? This point and this point, that is 180 degree and 360 degree. So that angle is called what? Reflex angle. Okay, so reflex angle is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, means it lies between 180 and 360, then that angle is called what? Reflex angle. And the last is full or complete angle. Now what is meant by full or complete angle? Here I am drawing a figure. Okay, so we know that, suppose here is the point. Okay, we are starting from here and come like this, measuring, and again comes to the same position. Okay, so total this angle if we measure, okay, so it becomes what? 360 degree, because we already studied here is the what? 0 degree, then here is the what? If we are keep this protractor at this position, so 0, then here is the what? 90, here is the what? 180 degree. Okay, means this is a straight angle. Actually this one is what? 180 degree. Again if I kept like this, okay, again if I start from 0 here, okay, again 0 and come to 180 degree, so again this one will be what? 180 degree. Okay, so 180 plus 180, which is a what? 360 degree, and such an angle is called full or complete angle. So what is a full or complete angle? That is the measure of a complete or full angle is how much? Is 360 degree, then that angle is called what? Full or complete angle. I hope all of you understood all types of angles. Thank you.